Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today we will be learning how to log out of your IQ Option application using your smartphone. To log out of IQ Option is super quick and easy. First of all, launch open the IQ Option app on your app drawer from your device, and then once you're inside the home page of IQ Option, go to the top left corner and tap on the menu button at the top left. Now from the expanded menu, scroll all the way down and tap on the Log Out button. Confirm by tapping Log Out once again in the pop-up, and then you'll be signed out or logged out of your IQ Option account. You can log in anytime by entering your email or phone and your password. So that is how you easily log out of IQ Option application on your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.